Most of you are trading prop firms the wrong way. Here's how to actually trade it. First things first, you gotta understand that trading prop firm is going to be a return on investment game. So when keeping that in mind, we want to secure payouts every single time we get that winning day, because then we can keep scaling accounts. Let's go real quick. So what I want you to do first is grab a 50k account. Right now on Alpha Futures, you can get one for $60 by using my code, of course, RCFT. It's limited. This is not going to be like a full-on ad for my code, obviously, but this is going to be a scaling video. Or you can go with Apex. The code is CFT on Apex. You need to get a 50k account for the first time, and you're gonna mainly trade on that account. No scaling yet, okay? So get an account. With Alpha Futures, you need to get a $3,000 profit target, while you can't lose $2,000. Maximum loss limit is going to be 1k, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Basically the same on Apex, I'm pretty sure. Profit target 3k, max drawdown 2k, daily loss limit 1k, yes it is. On Apex, we do have activation fee, however, and I believe it's like $110 or some shit like that. But it is very good if you are a beginner trader, because, I mean, if you have a tendency to blow a lot of accounts, then this is really cheap for you. $60 if you don't blow as many accounts is the best way to go. But let's go over it real quick on how you're gonna pass this evaluation account first. So we got two options. Option one is going to be slow and steady. This is going to be the funded mindset, and I would suggest if you are a beginner to trade this way, do the slow way. Option one right here is going to be the funded mindset. We are going to be risking $200 on B setups, like where you have a cleared round liquidity, but it's not the best setup in the world, and we are going to be risking $300 on A+ setups. So let's say this will take you about 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks or something like that to pass the account. Bang, we have it. We have a passed account now. It's very beginner friendly if you trade this way, and I would, as I said, suggest you if you are pretty new to this game, but you know your basics. Okay, so option two is going to be high risk, extremely fast eval. On a zero consistency rule account, like the Alpha Future Zero accounts or the Apex accounts, we are just going to risk max loss limit. The max loss limit on the day, which is going to be 1k, and you are going to just get a 1 to 3 pass the account in one day, bang. Or you could risk a little bit more, but you're just gonna have a tighter stop loss. But I mean, that's up to you. If you know you should do that. If we pick an account with 50% consistency rule, we are going to be risking $1,000, and we are going to aim for about a 1.5 risk to reward. So day one, $1,500. Day two, $1,500. Pass very fast. It's for the more intermediate traders, I would say so. I don't want to, for example, for me, I don't want to fucking risk $300 on an eval account. For me, I just want to get straight to funded. But this is up to you, just my suggestion. Now we are finally on the funded stage, and this is where the fun begins, because we are going to build a buffer and we are gonna take payouts. On most firms like Apex and Alpha Futures, we are going to need 5 winning days to get a payout. Now, we are not gonna be risking $500, which is 1% on a 50k account here. We are only going to be risking $250 to $300. And now you're probably saying, oh, but we are not gonna get such a big payout then. Correct, that's the point. Let's say day one, we make $400. Day two, $300. I haven't taken losses into account in this video, but obviously there's going to be some losses or something. But you're just gonna have to stick to your rules and your plan for the way we are gonna scale this. But just to make it easier for me and for you guys to understand, we are just gonna be accounting winning days right here. So let's say day one, $400. Day two, $300. Day three, $250. Day four, $650. And day five, you trailed your stop loss to secure this winning day. And now you have 5 winning days. Account balance is now going to be 50,170.50. Now, what does that mean for you? That means that you have slight buffer on your account right now, and you are eligible for a payout. Now let's talk about the ROI on this payout you're gonna take. You're gonna take a $500 payout. Again, you're gonna ask me, $500? It's not so much. It's not so much. Oh my god, I want $10,000 payout for at the start. No, don't even think about that. Listen, as I mentioned in the start, you are not trading prop firms correctly. This is going to be a return on investment game, as I mentioned. So let's take a look at the percentage you just made. Funded, how do you calculate this? We are going to take the funded account price, which is $60, and we are gonna minus 500 is going to be a payout. We're gonna minus $60 from that. Then we are going to take this $60 that you spent on this account, divided by 440, which is the profits, and you're gonna times that by 100. How many percent did you just make? You made 733% in, let's say, a month. That is not really any business can do that, but prop firms. So now we are going to go ahead and take a look at how we are gonna scale this so you can make even more money. Copy trading, beautiful copy trading. Oh, copy trading, okay. So this is a tool that allows you to copy trade every single one of your accounts. It doesn't matter if you have 5 accounts at Alpha Futures or and 5 accounts at Apex. You can connect them all. I would suggest using Tradecopia. Tradecopia is the one I currently use right now. Very good, very clean. I love it. Anyways, remember the payout you got. You got the $500 payout. You have $500 in your pocket right now. You are going to buy more accounts with that. Let's say you go ahead and buy 5 accounts. You're going to be spending $300 on 5 accounts, meaning you now have $200 left. Go spend that $200 on a fucking dinner or some shit like that. Now, what is the payout potential you have right now? Now your payout potential is going to be 250. Look how easy, scalable it is to go from a $500 payout to $500 payout, but on 5 accounts. Keep in mind, this is still the $500 payout. You are not risking more. You are not doing anything else. You just have more accounts. When does the big money come in? It comes now. Because now you just got a $2,500 payout. Now we are going to use that money to scale with other firms. Apex, for example, one of the best firms to have. You can copy trade up to 20 accounts, or you can, the max allocation is going to be 20 accounts with them. So let's say this is just hypothetical, and you're not going to jump into this right as you get that $2,500 payout, but this is hypothetical. Let's say you have 20 Apex accounts, 5 Lucid, 5 Alpha, 5 TPT accounts. 35 times a $500 payout is going to be $70,500. And $500 payout, as I mentioned, it's not a lot. I mean, a $500 payout you can get twice a month easily. So what's that going to be? Let's pull up the calculator real quick. Let's say you get 2 payouts a month, equaling $500 on 35 accounts. That is going to be $35,000 a month for you. Now, you are not going to buy fucking 35 accounts to trade with once you get a $2,500 payout. That would just be dumb. So that's why I made a scaling plan for you. Completely for free. By the way, this is a saucy video. I'm not gonna lie. But trading is also time-based. It takes time to scale. Trust me. Do not jump from 1 account to 20 accounts immediately. You get that $500 payout. You now have an edge also. You know your edge. Bang. Spend that $500 payout. And we're gonna be saying this in month. Let's say month 1 then. Now you have 3 accounts. If you get a payout on that, that's $1,500. Bada bing. Next payout. Spend this payout on 2 more accounts, only 2 more accounts, because now on month 2, you are going to have 5 accounts. And the reason we are not jumping from 3 accounts to 20 at this point already is going to be because you are going to fuck up your psychology when trading extreme amount of accounts while doing this. So we are going to build it steady, because you also need to prove to yourself that you can trade with a lot of accounts. I mean that you can trade from 1 account to 3 accounts to 5 accounts, and not from 3 accounts to 20 accounts, because as I mentioned, it's going to fuck up your psychology. So now that you have 5 accounts, you approximately get a 2,500 payout. Not a lot, but it's month 2. Now what are you going to do with a $25 payout? Bang. Scale even more. Not 20 accounts, not 35 accounts, 10 accounts. This is month 3. Now you have 10 accounts. You're going to get a payout, $5,000. Remember, 500 on each account, $5,000 on 10 accounts, brother. Return on investment is going to be insane. Now you're going to be spending that payout on accounts, and you are going to be buying 10 more accounts. You have a little bit money to spend on a nice dinner, not a BMW M4 competition yet. 10 more accounts, spend the rest of the money on some nice shit or something, and now you have 20 accounts. And this is where the big money comes in. When you have 20 accounts, this is where the big money comes in. When you have 20 accounts, a $500 payout on each account is going to be 10 grand. And this is exactly how you're gonna land that 10 grand a month thing. But keep in mind, as I also mentioned before, 2 payouts a month of 500 is very realistic. So that's 1 payout. And when we times that with 20 accounts, that's basically 20 grand a month. Now, you could keep scaling here, and I probably would scale up to 35 accounts or some shit that I mentioned before, but we're just gonna keep it plain and simple. This is how you're gonna scale to 10k a month with prop firms, and then you can be thinking about starting a live account at some point. I'm not there yet, but I will be at some point. But the main idea behind this video right here is to tell you that you are trading prop firms completely wrong. You're trying to chase max payout every single time, which is completely wrong. You are not going to do that. You have to look at the math behind prop firms. Calculations. Right here. Wait, where is it? Yeah, right here. ROI. Return on investment. Not even a stock can give you 33% in return unless you're lucky. But that'll be the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know at what stage you are in right now, how many accounts you're currently scaling. I would love to know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.